Hello guys. Welcome to my channel. In this video I'll show you how to install Python, how to install Visual Studio Code, to write Python codes, and some great extensions for VS Code that'll make your Python journey much smoother. First of all, open your browser. And now, type in Python download. Go to the first link, that is the one from python.org. You'll find the options for all the operating systems, like Windows, Mac, Linux, etc. I am on a Windows machine, so I directly click this download button. Once the file is downloaded, open it. Make sure you check this Add Python to Path box. It is very important. Click on Install Now. The demand of Python is increasing day by day. It is one of the top 3 most loved programming languages. The installation will take about a minute or two. As you can see, setup successful, now you're good to go. To verify the Python installation, open the Run dialog box using the Windows + R keys, and type cmd. Now in the terminal, type Python and press Enter. If it shows the currently installed Python version without any error, that's it. You have successfully installed Python on your machine. Now to install Visual Studio Code, open your browser. And type in Download VS Code. Click on the first link here. You'll get the option for Windows, Linux, Mac, etc. I'll click the Windows option here. Once the file is downloaded, open it. You all probably know how the installation process will go. I accept, and then next, 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 and finish. At first, you'll see a welcome screen here. You can look around in the interactive playground, printable keyboard cheat sheet, etc. I'll close it for now. Clicking on this gear icon, you'll find the settings option. Here you can customize all the settings, like autosave, font family, font style, etc. Clicking on the first icon here, you'll get an option to open a folder. You can create a new file by clicking on this fist icon here. Now for the extensions, click on this 5th button here. Now type Python in the search bar. This is the most basic and most important extensions. It is from Microsoft. It provides various features like linking, debugging, IntelliSense, etc. Now type Python docstring generator in the search box. This extension will help you in automatically generating detailed editable doc strings about your Python functions. Next one is Code Runner. This extension adds a run button on your editor, on the top right corner, so executing code becomes much quick and easier. The 4th one is called Indent Rainbow. This extension will help in easily identifying indentation errors in your code. Now the fifth one is not exactly an extension, we can call it like a plugin or addition to one of the extensions that we installed. Open the command palette by pressing Ctrl plus Shift plus P. Once that is open, go to the option that says Python, select linter. I would recommend Flake8 or Pyland, but I have both of them already installed. Therefore, for example, I'll install the MyPylinter. That's all for this video. If you like it, please hit that like button, and also make sure to subscribe to my channel for more. Thank you.